5 million mobile phone devices are sent to landfill facilities by Australians every year. This creates significant harm to our natural environment because these discarded devices are composed from harsh materials. So, what's the solution? G'day, my name is Josh, and the solution we are proposing is an unmanned aerial vehicle created for use within the agricultural sector. This project proposes a tailor-made UAV designed with the intention of reshaping Australia's farming landscape. This is achieved through the modernisation of crop surveying methodologies and livestock management practices. This proposed UAV will help enhance the quality and yields from farmers' crops, while simultaneously helping to reduce the operational costs through data-driven decision-making and strengthen risk management processes. Aligning with our company's low-cost sustainable engineering initiatives, this UAV has been designed to make use of waste and end-of-life materials from both consumer-grade and manufacturing sources. Our project has been designed to repurpose these discarded materials, subsystems, and batteries that can be found within mobile phone devices, discontinued medical equipment, and other manufacturing waste assortments, and convert them into the UAV's control systems, carbon fibre propellers, an innovative hybrid power solution that makes use of supercapacitor technologies, and lightweight, low-powered brushless motors. These components will be produced using a modern, innovative manufacturing process with a heavy focus on automation where possible. With your support behind this proposed UAV project, we can help to transform old, everyday consumer products into new, innovative, sustainable technologies that will produce benefits to our environment, consumers, and stakeholders alike. Thank you for taking the time to consider this proposal.